Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today in today's video we are going to see a lot of life update things because I haven't been very active on YouTube or even on Instagram for that matter. Let's create this look and I'll tell you what is exactly going in. So, starting with some basics, where have I been actually for like a month or so? I feel like मैंने अराउंड 1 मंथ से कुछ भी पोस्ट नहीं किया है एंड आई हैव बीन पोस्टिंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम थोड़ा बहुत बिकॉज देयर वर सम ब्रांड डेडलाइंस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट सो दैट आई हैव बीन डूइंग बट यूट्यूब पे आई हैवंट पोस्टेड फॉर अ वाइल नाउ एंड आई फील लाइक ऐसा वीडियो मैंने कभी आज तक नहीं किया है वेयर आई सिट डाउन एंड टेल यू गाइज कि व्हाट हैज बीन going on in my life up tak. Like this is the first time I'm doing a life update video on my YouTube channel or like even on Instagram I haven't done anything of this sort. So yeah, let's start from the basics. I was actually working in Cognizant and I have been working there since my campus placement. I got placed there through my college itself and I was there for 2 years and I shifted to Pune for that only. So I am from actually Nagpur and I shifted to Pune for my job. So it's been like 2 years since I started my, what can you say, corporate journey. I feel like I have started my corporate journey since 2 years now and I wasn't happy, to be honest. It has nothing to do with the company, but I just wasn't happy doing the work that was required from me. I I had a plan of doing MBA. जैसे ही I was going to graduate, but somehow that Corona happened and all of that, and मुझे उस टाइम पे MBA करने का कोई सेंस नहीं लगा because I wanted to experience that MBA life offline. And उस टाइम पे everything was going online और मुझे उस टाइम पे सही नहीं लगा to choose an MBA अभी. So what I did was I took the campus placement I got, and so I always wanted to go into marketing हमेशा से. Like my main goal was to go into marketing, but that didn't happen. I got placed into Cognizant. I continued for like 2 years and then somehow I actually tried to convince my parents 1 year after I joined Cognizant that I want to make a switch into marketing career altogether. So they said कि नहीं, मतलब they were a little hesitant on what kind of marketing I want to do and what all can be done, या फिर I don't even have a degree of that and how will I be able to survive in that and all of that, जो हर parent को होता है, basically होना चाहिए. But I tried to make them understand कि I have this experience in social media marketing and I have been doing content creation for so long and all of that, and somehow उनको वो सारी चीजें समझ नहीं आई. They took their time, they took their sweet time of 1 year to understand what exactly I'm talking about. And so finally in like last month August, like कुछ time पहले से ही, this year actually has been very very strategizing for me. So I have been thinking of quitting my job, but somehow everything turned out in my favor because starting of the year in February I was put on bench in Cognizant, and क्योंकि मेरा project was over, and so yeah, and so I was on bench. So I felt like कि ठीक है, I'm on bench, so this is the perfect opportunity for me to find a good job in marketing rather than going into क्या बोलते हैं, corporate. ठीक है. So I did that. I started searching for new jobs. I got one offer like around June. So I started around March and I got an offer in June for social media manager in a company. I won't, take any names now. So that was in Thane. But वहाँ पे I told them कि I have 90 days का notice period and all of that, and they were okay to wait. And I'm so grateful to that company to actually wait for me because I didn't join that company eventually. क्योंकि उनका जो office था, it was like more far away from Thane. It was around 20-25 kilometers away from Thane, and I don't think it was a good choice for me कि मैं पूरी की पूरी पहले तो city change करूंगी. I was living in Pune अब तक, and फिर वहां से आके and I will shift to Thane, and उसके बाद भी I'll have to travel इतना ज़्यादा, and I don't know कि वो लड़कियों के लिए safe है भी कि नहीं. I didn't know anything. So my camera cut me off. So as I was saying, so वो जो 90 days का notice period था, I used that thoroughly, and what I did was I actually started getting a lot of calls. I made my resume and all of that for marketing itself, and I started getting a lot of calls. So basically I gave a lot of interviews and all of that, so I was getting placed into sales and बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजों में, but I was very very clear कि I want a job in marketing, and to be specific I wanted to be in social media marketing because वहाँ पे ही मेरा actual expertise है. Sorry. So finally, like around 15th of August, I got 3 offers together in a span of 2 days, and I already had that one offer जो थाने वाला था, जिसके लिए I was a little dicey if I should take it or not. And so I had a total of 4 offers that I had to choose from, and 2 were from Mumbai, 1 was from Delhi, and 1 was from Thane. So we had me and my family had a lot of discussion, and we decided that I'll take the Mumbai wala offer. And so everything changed. So on Raksha Bandhan, like literally on Rakhi, I resigned and I got an immediate release. So I left Cognizant, and my joining here in my new company was at 9th of September. But Mumbai is very tough, you guys. मतलब अगर आप कहीं और से आ रहे हो ना, Mumbai is going to be so tough. मेरे पापा आने वाले थे to settle me in and all of that, because यहाँ पे भी I had to find flats and जो भी. But वो नहीं आ पाया because my mom got sick, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा. She got, क्या बोलते हैं उसे, चिकनगुनिया, because नागपुर में it was like viral उस time पे, and it takes a lot of time to get well उसके बाद. So she's still sick, but उतना नहीं अभी फिलहाल. So that didn't happen. I had to do a lot of things on my own, and I had some friends to help me out. So I actually got scammed also while I was searching for flats. So what happened is कि I got scammed twice, guys, and it's very sad that I had to go through such things in Mumbai, because I love Mumbai. I have always been to Mumbai. It was my dream to come and stay in Mumbai, and I feel like कि I have come so far, and I'm so proud of myself. I am like so I'm very proud of myself because I have tried a lot to be where I am right now, and I feel like I deserve all of this. I have been wanting this for so long that I have been very emotional throughout, because मुझे realize ही नहीं होता है कि ये जहाँ पे मैं हूँ, I have made all of this come true. And yeah, मतलब I know I have to go a long way now. This is just the start. This is just like कि जो मुझे चाहिए था वो I got a start, I got a good start, and so कुछ भी इतना बुरा हुआ नहीं है, but I'm just very emotional because of all the things that I was able to achieve alone. So yeah, so that's something. Okay, I got scammed twice. Once I got scammed through No Broker. There's nothing wrong with the company actually, but वहाँ पे I have seen कि a lot of people like put fake ads, मतलब वो fake flats डालते हैं with बहुत ही कम rent. So the rent here is बाप रे, मतलब I used to pay what वहाँ पुणे में उसका double triple. Like, okay, the rent actually that I was paying for a full 2 BHK वहाँ पे, that too I was living in sharing only पुणे में भी. So the total rent of a 2 BHK, new 2 BHK apartment, जितना उतना rent मेरा वहाँ एक पूरे 2 BHK का था, वहाँ पे यहाँ पे I came across कि उतना rent एक room का है. Like the things that I was searching for कि थोड़ा सा न्यू होना चाहिए, मतलब ठीक है एकदम ही न्यू बिल्डिंग नहीं हो तो चलेगा, बट थोड़ा न्यू होना चाहिए बिकॉज आई हैव दिस वर्क एंड आई नीड प्रिवेसी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. मेरे सामान भी इतना है कि आई कांट शेयर किसी के साथ बेडरूम, पीजी वगैरह आई कांट टेक. सो 30 and 40,000 for a room was huge. So I started searching थोड़ा सा दूर because my office is like in Andheri. So I started searching थोड़ा सा आसपास में उसके, because Andheri I felt like is very very expensive. Felt नहीं, मतलब मुझे समझने आ गया अभी. So I started searching थोड़ा आसपास and then I got a good flat. अब वहाँ पे the broker told us कि the flat is of kuch 620 630 square feet build up and all of that, but somehow we found out, हमने पूरा token amount and all दे दिया, मैं और मेरी एक friend जो देख रहे थे यहाँ पे to share the flat. We gave them the token amount owner को directly and then मैंने सब clear किया था उनसे, मतलब कॉल पे. यही मेरे से गलती हो गई, प्लीज गाइस ऐसा मत करना, एटलीस्ट उनसे व्हाट्सएप वगैरह पे कुछ ले लेना. आई मेड दिस क्लियर कि अगर हमें बाय चांस कुछ पसंद नहीं आता है तो क्या हम एग्रीमेंट से पहले कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, कैन वी बैक आउट एंड आर यू गोइंग टू गिव अस द टोकन अमाउंट बैक और नॉट. एंड सो द ओनर ऑल्सो सेड कि हाँ आई विल गिव दैट बैक एंड द ब्रोकर ऑल्सो सेड कि हाँ आई विल गेट दैट बैक फॉर यू. सो हमको जब पता चला कि दे आर स्कैमिंग अस बाय टेलिंग कि ये ज्यादा स्क्वायर फीट है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड वी आर जस्ट चाइल्ड ना, मतलब अगर आप लोग आओगे तो आपको नहीं समझेगा देख के कि अच्छा ठीक है इसका इतना स्क्वायर फीट है. अगर कोई किसी के पापा एंड ऑल लाइक जिनको एक्सपीरियंस है उनको ये सब समझ में आता है. सो वी गॉट स्कैम्ड इनटू दैट एंड देन वी रियलाइज कि अच्छा इसका स्क्वायर फीट कम है. सो वी गॉट टू नो कि इसका स्क्वायर फीट कम है एंड सो वी टोल्ड कि अभी एग्रीमेंट नहीं हुआ है एंड वी वांट टू बैक आउट एंड वी वांट आवर टोकन मनी बैक एंड शी डिडंट गिव दैट. गाइस वो ओनर ने हमें टोकन अमाउंट नहीं वापस दिया. लाइक आई हैव कॉल्ड हर सो मेनी टाइम्स, आई हैव इवन टोल्ड हर कि दिस इज लाइक the money that I have given you for the token amount is very huge and it matters to me because I am just like 24 and I have earned that. You please give that back because कुछ भी अब तक हुआ नहीं है, एग्रीमेंट नहीं हुआ है, कुछ नहीं हुआ है. पहली बात तो आपने बोला है कि आप वापस दोगे एंड शी इज लाइक कि नहीं, अगर मैंने बैकआउट किया होता तो मैं आपको पैसे वापस देती, बट अब मैं नहीं दूंगी. So that's a loss that we took. We have now accepted our fate कि ऐसा हो गया है अभी हमारे साथ, तो ठीक है, that's done and dusted. Now my joining was on 9th and somehow all of this happened and so I was homeless. मतलब मैंने पुणे का घर छोड़ दिया था and यहाँ पे मेरे पास कोई घर नहीं था. Some of my friends in Pune were very kind enough to let me stay with them for a couple of days and somehow I found this, like me and my flatmate found this flat जो कि actually was going to be vacant on 15th, but somehow पता नहीं क्यों it was meant to be कि जो यहाँ पे already लड़की रह रही थी उनको 9th को vacant करना पड़ा for some her reasons, personal reasons, and so we decided to take this flat. And मेरी joining was on 9th but I shifted here on 9th and my boss was also so kind enough to give me 2 more days and I actually joined my new company on 11th of September. And so इतना सब चल रहा था at the back and उसके बाद the transport and all of that happened and there was a lot of things going on and इसलिए मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रही थी. I have tried to vlog all of it, that will come, but मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि एक बार ये बैठ के बात करना is important before I put out a vlog because then a lot of you guys will be confused. So basically I have shifted to Mumbai now for my work. I am working in marketing. I am a social media manager at a company. If you are a follower on LinkedIn, you must know कि मैं कौन सी कंपनी में हूँ. If you are not following me on LinkedIn, then go and follow me. मैं सोच रही हूँ वहाँ पे भी एक्टिव होने का. So yeah, so अब तक तो it has been like बहुत fast life है यहाँ पे. I haven't even slept अच्छे से and plus मैं यहाँ पे जैसी आई थी वहाँ I got sick because of all the exertion and all of that. तो बहुत चीजें हो रही थी and इसलिए I couldn't post. I also went to IKEA and all. I have a lot of things to show you guys. And मैंने अपना जो रूम है I have actually set up थोड़ा बहुत basic आपको दिख रहा होगा. So this is going to be the setup of my room and I always wanted a white room and I have done that. I have got that. मतलब मैं इससे पहले इसलिए रोई थी because मैंने कल ही अपना रूम सेटअप किया है and I couldn't believe कि I have done this. So yeah. So I think I have covered everything that I wanted to tell you guys कि क्या हुआ, कहाँ थी मैं इतने दिन and all of that. So yeah, now coming on to my room tour and all of that, they're going to come, and I have never done a room tour and इतना कुछ, because I felt like कि मैं अब तक जैसे भी रह रही थी, it was not enough for me. Like I always wanted to be in this life. So I have actually got it, and I'm so excited to actually decorate this room with what I wanted to do hamesha se. It feels like a dream. It still feels like a dream, and I cannot tell you कि I'm so happy because जिस रूम में मैं अभी हूँ इसका ऐसा photo I had on my vision board, and so I get emotional every time I think about it, and I'm very emotional at heart, so just ignore it. And yeah, I think कि this is just a good start for me, a new fresh start. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. बहुत सारे videos आने वाले हैं. I have a lot of things planned, and I'm so excited to share all of these things with you. I have an IKEA haul planned. I have a vlog planned of everything, how I did, what I did, and all of that. And उसके बाद I had, like, I'll be filming a room tour because basic पूरा हो गया है setup, but I want to add some decorative pieces here and there. तो वो हो जाए तो I'll shoot a room tour also. And yeah, that's it. I think that's it from my side. So I hope कि आपको थोड़ी सी clarity मिली हो, and you guys are also happy for me. I want you guys to be happy for me because you are following me. You should feel happy for me because I am going to try and make a lot of good content now. I'll try actually. अब तक तो मैं देख ही रही हूँ कि कैसा हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है मुंबई में system. So yeah, ignore my hair. They are still not dry. बट ठीक है, आई हैड टू शूट दिस वीडियो क्योंकि मुझे पता था मैंने आज नहीं किया तो मैं अब और इसके बाद कभी करूंगी. सो या, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and wait for all the new videos that I have lined up for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.